Hello students, welcome back to Programming in C language. Myself Sreekanth. In the previous session videos we discussed in detail about the various applications of computers, uses of computers, some application softwares of computers, and also we discussed in detail about what generations of computers, like first generation computers, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation, from vacuum tube, okay, transistors, integrated circuits, microprocessors, and artificial intelligence like ULSI, ultra large scale integrations. I explained clearly. If you missed the sessions, I given that link in the description box. Just go through that sessions, and after that you come back to the today's session. Okay. Yep. See, we are discussing computer fundamentals. Okay, the main topic within the computer fundamentals. Today agenda is we try to discuss some different types of computers. The agenda of this session is what? Different types of computers with suitable examples. See, what are the different types of computers are there? The computer, what is computer? Already we are all familiar, right? Computer is an advanced electronic device or machine. It takes raw data as an input, process it, and it gives the meaningful information as a output. Okay. Here, computer basically categorized by three different types: digital computers, analog computers, and hybrid computers. See, what is this digital computers? Digital computers are the computer that works on discontinuous or discrete data. So these digital computers are going to be work what? Discontinuous or discrete data. Okay, the remaining all the points we'll discuss in detail in the digital computer. Just you need to understand, computers are basically categorized by three different types: digital computers, analog computers, hybrid computers. Here digital computers are nothing but these computers that work on discontinuous or discrete data. Here the data is going to be represented always in the form of what? Binary format, zeros and ones representation. Okay, next, analog computers. What is this analog computers? Analog computers are the computers that works on what? Continuous data. Analog computers are going to be work what? Continuous data. See, generally it measures what? Like pressure, temperature, speed, like that. It's going to be calculated using what? Analog computers. The third one is what? Hybrid computers. Hybrid computers are nothing but the combination of both analog computers and digital computers. It going to be work what? Continuous as well as what? Discontinuous data. Okay, computers are categorized by three different types: digital, analog, hybrid. Digital means what? Discontinuous or discrete data. Analog means what? Continuous data. Hybrid is nothing but it works both continuous as well as discontinuous data. It is combination of what? Digital and analog computers. So in this session we try to discuss what is digital computers, okay, and on that what are the different types in detail. Okay, yeah. So coming to the digital computers again categorized by purpose wise, size wise, function wise. Okay, see, digital computers again categorized by what? Three different types: purpose wise, size wise, and function wise. See, purpose wise, general purpose computers we are using, and special purpose computers we are going to be using. The purpose wise again categorized by two things: one is called general purpose, another called special purpose. Coming to the size wise, in the size wise different types of computers are available in the real world environment, like microcomputer, mini computer, programmable computer, laptop, desktop computers or personal computers, mainframe computer, supercomputers. All these computers are belonging to what? Size wise of what? Digital computers. Okay, yeah. The size wise, what are the different types of computers are available in the market? Microcomputer, mini computer, programmable computer, laptop, desktop or personal computers, mainframe computer, and supercomputers. These are all comes under what? Different size wise of digital computers. Coming to the function wise, the function wise again it categorized by four different types of function wise computers: servers, workstation, embedded, and information appliances. Okay, so this is about different types of computers. Okay, majorly these three different types of computers are categorized by what? Digital computers, analog computers, hybrid computers. Digital computers are completely work on discontinuous data or discrete data. Always it represents by what? Binary language, zeros and ones representation. In the analog computers, it's going to be a work on what? Continuous data. Generally, it's going to be measures what? Pressure, temperature, speed, like that. Continuously, it's going to be work like examples like analog clocks. And coming to the hybrid computer is a combination of both digital computer and analog computer. It works on continuous as well as what? Discontinuous data. The digital computers furtherly categorized by what? Purpose wise, size wise, function wise. The purpose wise, the digital computers are categorized by what? General purpose, special purpose. Okay, in this session we try to discuss what is purpose wise, general wise computers, and special purpose computers we try to discuss. Okay, next size wise again categorized by what? Microcomputers, mini computer, programmable computer, laptops, desktop or personal computer, mainframe computer, and a supercomputer. Coming to the function wise, again it categorized by servers, workstation, embedded, information appliances. So very important for examination. The exam there is a chances to ask, explain in detail different types of computers. Okay, you try to draw this entire diagram and start for explaining one by one. Okay, is it clear up to here? Okay. So next I am moving to the digital computers. Yes, we try to discuss in detail here. Just only explained, digital computers are the computers that work on discontinuous or discrete data. Okay, digital computers are nothing but what? It works on what? Discontinuous or discrete data. These computers convert the input into binary language, whatever the instructions you can give to the digital computer. Okay, how we are giving the instructions? Data as an instructions we are giving to the computer, as we discussed in the earlier sessions, right? Whatever the instructions you are given, that internally it going to be converts into which language? Binary language or machine understandable language. Always it is represented by what? Zeros and ones representations. Okay, they carry out operations on binary data at a very fast rate and generate output in user understandable language. As we discussed in the previous generation of computers like microprocessors, fourth generation computers, even though we are giving instructions in the high level language, internally it's going to be converts that high level instructions into machine understandable instruction. After processing that data, it's going to be gives output as what? User understandable only. Okay, yes, these computers are what? More accurate, faster, and reliable than what? Analog computers. They are the most commonly used computers in homes and office. So if you observe these microcomputers, mini computers, like supercomputers, mainframe computers, like all these computers are going to be used in the real world environment. Correct or not? Yeah. See, here how this data is going to be flow in digital computers. Data flows in the form of what? Clock pulses. See, how this data is going to be flow in the digital computer? The data is going to be flow in the form of clock pulse. See, I try to represent here. Okay, like that. The data is going to be flow in the form of what? Clock pulse, like 0101 format, like that. Okay, so this is the representation of what? Clock pulse. So this is a diagram we can represent for digital computers. The data flows in the form of what? Clock pulses. Okay, see the best example in real-time examples, if you take the digital computers is a digital watch. Okay, nowadays computer used for what? The purpose of what? business purpose, educational, everywhere. In the previous session videos I explained, right? Computer is using in all the sectors of different types of applications. Okay. Yeah, so this is about digital computers. In a single definition you can provide, digital computers is designed to perform calculations and logical operations at a high speed. It accepts the raw data as input in the form of digits or binary numbers, zeros and ones, and processes it with what? Program stored in its memory to produce the meaningful information as output. See, here the digital computers are going to be represented by what? Clock pulse. So this is about what? Digital computers. So everyone is clear, right? Digital computers are nothing but what? These computers that work on what? Discontinuous or discrete data. And it understands only which level language? Binary language. That is represented by what? Zeros and ones representation. Always remember, we are interacting with these digital computers only. Okay, always this digital computer understands only binary language, machine understandable language, represented by what? Zeros and ones. Okay, then we learn in the next coming session. Then we understood only high level languages are like English, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil. Then machine digital computers understood only binary languages like zeros and ones. Then how it converts high level language instructions into machine understandable instructions, yes, we'll discuss in detail in the next coming sessions. Okay, yeah, so this is about what? Digital computers. Today, I try to discuss in detail about classified into different classifications of digital computers. It first one is what? Classification by purpose wise. Second one is classification by what? Size wise. Third one is what? Classification by function wise. So it has huge topic. In that reason, I am dividing this video into what? 3 to 4 parts. Okay. First one, in the today's session, we try to discuss about classification by what? Purpose wise. Today we try to discuss remaining size wise, function wise. We'll discuss in the next coming videos. Okay. So today we try to discuss about classification by purpose wise. But basically it categorized three different types: purpose wise, size wise and function wise, as I represented in the diagram. See, the diagram also represented clearly here. Digital computers are categorized by what? Purpose wise, size wise, function wise, but it is huge topics are involved in the each subtopic. In that reason, I am dividing this session into what? 4 different parts. The purpose wise, today we try to discuss what is general purpose, what is special purpose. Okay, see, observe. Yes, we are discussing about classification by what? Purpose. See, there are some needs that are specific to a particular environment or a particular user. Depending upon the purpose of use, computers can be classified as, again, special purpose computers and general purpose computers. Okay, simply we can call that are specific to a particular environment or a particular user. Again, it classified by what? Two different types of purpose wise computers. First one is called special purpose computers. Second one is called general purpose computers. Okay, see, what is this special purpose computers? See, these computers are specially designed to perform a specific task. Okay, it is specially designed for what? Specific task. Specific task of a specific environment. Okay, these special purpose computers are designed for what? Specially designed to perform what? A specific task of a specific environment. See, that's why these computers are not versatile. Versatility means what? It can do any kind of job, different kinds of job. But here these computers, special purpose computers, are specially designed for what? For particular purpose, specific task and a specific environment. Particular environment only they are designed. Okay, that's what it is not versatile. The instructions used by these computers are what? Permanently stored in the machine. These computers are generally embedded in what? Various automatic devices. Okay, these computers are what? Generally embedded in what? Various automatic devices. Examples you can take like a computer that has been designed to count the telephone call pulses and display the amount payable can only serve these purposes only. It cannot be used for what? Other purpose. See, these computers specially designed for what? Only specific work, specific task of a specific environment. Such type of computers are called special purpose computers. Okay, coming to the next one, the second type is called general purpose computers. What is the second type? General purpose computers. These computers can be used for what? All general needs of all environments and users. These computers are not specially designed. These computers are for what? It can be used for what? All general needs of all environments and users. Okay, see, these computers can use for what? All duties, all works, all kind of jobs we can able to execute in these computers. That is the reason we can call it. It is developed for what? General needs for all environments and users. General needs of all environments and users. Obviously these computers are what? Versatile computers, because it's going to be do several kinds of jobs, not fixed with particular job, that can perform a variety of jobs for a variety of environments. Okay, so this is a best examples for what? Purpose wise computers, special purpose computers, general purpose computers. So in case of general purpose computers, it's going to be used for what? All general needs of all environments and users. These are all what? Versatile computers. Okay, because it's going to be execute what? Variety of jobs for a variety of environments. Like general purpose computers can be used anyway to solve any kind of problem. Examples like a general purpose computers can be used to what? Calculate accounts, data processing operations, like writing letters, drawing pictures, playing games, listening music, watching movies, and accessing internet. Like any kind of activity, you can do it with the general purpose computers. But coming to special purpose computers, you cannot do all kinds jobs. Special purpose computers are designed for what? Only particular task, specific task of a specific environment. That is what we can call it is not a versatile. See, this is about what? Classification by purpose wise computers. Okay, yes, I hope everyone is clear about it, right? Yeah, so once again explain here. Today we are discussed about types of computers, majorly categorized by three different types: digital computers, analog computers, hybrid computers. So in this session we discussed digital computers, again categorized by what? Three different types: purpose wise, size wise, function wise. Okay, purpose wise again subcategorized by what? General purpose computer, special purpose computers. Size wise, microcomputers, mini computers, programmable computer, laptop, desktop or personal computer, mainframe computer, supercomputers. Function wise, server, workstation, embedded information appliances. See, if I try to make it single video, it takes so length. Okay, I try to divide this video into what? 3 to 4 parts. Okay, yes, that reason today we discussed what is digital computer. It going to be works on what? Discrete data or discontinuous data. It understands only binary language represented by what? Zeros and ones representation. And also we discussed today what is analog computer. Analog computers are nothing but what? These computer that works on what? Continuous data for measuring what? Like pressure, temperature, speed, like that, so on example. Okay, these are also on etc. We'll discuss in the coming session about analog in detail. Hybrid, just remember here, hybrid computers are combination of what? Both analog computers and digital computers. Okay, so in this session we discussed about purpose wise general purpose computers and special purpose computers. Okay, see, this is the points you need to remember here. Digital computers means discontinuous or discrete data. It understands only binary language zeros and ones representation. This is the main points. And classification, three different types: purpose wise, size wise, function wise. Here we discussed clearly about what purpose wise. Again, purpose wise is nothing but what it is specific to a particular environment or a particular user, like specific task of a specific environment. It is specially designed for particular job or particular work for particular environment. That is called special purpose computers. But coming to general purpose computers, it it is developed for what? Used for all general needs of all environments and users. Here we can able to execute different variety of jobs. That's what we can call it is versatile. General purpose computers are what? Versatile in nature. Special purpose computers are what? Not versatile, because it is fixed, rigid to particular job and task for the specific environment. Okay. Yes, this is the session for today's topic. What we discussed in this session about types of computers, digital computers especially, and purpose wise, general purpose and special purpose we discussed. Okay. See, if you like these videos, make it more likes and subscribe my videos. Okay. The remaining things I will discuss in the next coming videos. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you all.